What's in the letter box today? Right. Pythagoras, but converse. So what's happening in these questions is if it just happens that, these sides work with Pythagoras, let's try this question. C squared is 5 squared equals 25. And let's try the other two. A squared plus B squared equals 4 squared plus 3 squared. 16 plus 9 equals 25. Oh, Pythagoras' theorem is true for this triangle. Ba-dum. If Pythagoras' theorem is true, therefore, that's 90 degrees. So that's what we mean by converse. So Pythagoras' theorem is one of those theorems that works backwards and forwards. If it's a right-angled triangle, then this is true. And if you do all the sides, then this is true. Therefore, it's a right-angled triangle. Okay, that's quite useful for situations where you don't know if it's a right angle or not a right angle. I, of course, expect you to remember that every time it's a 3, 4, 5 triangle, that it's right-angled. Just a little bit of memory trick there. So that's what's going to have out on the side. Let's just do one where it doesn't work. There is an example in the book, but let's just try another one. Might as well wipe it all out. So, I guess if we had 3, 4, 7, 6, 3, 4, 6. So the longest side, c squared, is 6 squared equals 36. And the other two, a squared plus b squared, is 4 squared plus 3 squared is 25. Not equal. Therefore, Pythagoras' theorem doesn't hold. Therefore, this triangle is not right-angled. This is what we mean for converse of Pythagoras' theorem. Okay, we've got to question 1. So I've got my triangle. I think I can tell which side is the longest because that's one we're going to match with C. And then we have here. So let's try the longest. Squared. So 6 squared equals 36. And let's do the other two. 4 squared plus 5 squared equals 16 plus 25 equals 41. Not equal. This triangle is not right-angled. Or that's not 90 degrees. I'll get it right soon. I will. Let's try B. Right, and then I'll let you do the rest. Okay, so first of all, which is the longest side out of 6, 8, and 10? Well, 10 squared is the longest. 10 squared is 100. Let's try the other two. 6 squared plus 8 squared is 36 plus 64 happens to equal to 6, 4, 100. So let's make some little phrase here. Pythag holds, therefore, 3 little symbols, short for therefore. Now, which would it be? It'd be the one opposite the longest. There is a 90-degree angle. Okay, or right angle. So 90-degree angle and right angle are different words for the same thing. Okay, need to get my writing warmed up a bit. Okay, this time I'm going to try, a slightly different question. Now, this time, which of these is going to be longer? Well, you might type them in your calculator. I think you'll find square root of 12 is the longest one. So let's try it again. So longest is the square root of 12. Now, if we square that, here's that game again. What is the square of the square root of 12? It is 12. Let's try the two short sides. So it's 2 squared plus square root of 7 squared equals 4. 2 squared is 4. Plus square of the square root of 7 is 7. So it's not a right-angled triangle. Boom.